Hurricane Milton has made landfall in Florida, bringing tornadoes, strong winds, and potential flooding to much of the state. The storm damaged infrastructure, leaving millions of people without power. Deaths have been confirmed, but the exact number is still unclear. Governor DeSantis says healthcare facilities, including 16 hospitals in the path of the storm, have been evacuated, and a substantial response has been activated to assist on the ground. And in St. Petersburg, the roof of Tropicana Field, home to the Tampa Bay Rays, was ripped to shreds. While the stadium was not being used as a shelter, there are reports it was a staging ground for workers brought in to deal with the storm's aftermath. Milton's fury also caused a crane to collapse onto a building in that same city.
We will better understand the extent of the damage as the day progresses. And you have people that are out there assessing damage right now. First responders have been working all through the night to help people who were in distress. And what we can say is the storm was significant, but thankfully this was not the worst case scenario. The storm did weaken before landfall, and the storm surge, as initially reported, has not been as significant overall as what was observed for Hurricane Helene.
And I'm about a block from the water, and the house vibrated when the gusts really picked up, and I threw up twice because it upset my stomach, but other than that I'm fine and the house is fine.
Now with Milton here, we've lost the brand new carports. Our dock is destroyed. There's some roof damage from things flying around.
Trying to get I don't have phone service. I'm trying to get Sheriff's Department or Tico to turn off the breaker to all these buildings. All the power's on. I don't know what to say. It's a lot. Born and raised here, never seen nothing like this.